Yes, good morning, learners. Today we are going to talk about directed numbers. So, on our chalkboard we have working with negatives and positive numbers. So, we are going to start with example one. Let's start with example one before we continue. So, example one, it says, example one says, question A, simplify. So, let's say the rule says about addition and subtraction. It says signs are the same. You keep, if let's say if you have two negative signs, they will change to positive. If you have negative and a positive sign, so the answer will be a negative. So let's say here we have negative and negative. So this addition, with addition this, we have to add the two numbers and then we keep the what? The sign. Let's say 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So we keep the sign, it becomes negative 7. So the second example, we have from 2 here, we have negative 2 plus 10. Now when it comes here, we have to add the what? The numbers, but we should always keep the number, the sign in front of the bigger number. So here it says negative 2 plus 10. So this is equal to 8. And the sign for the bigger number is 10. So let's go to example 3. Example 3 is, so in figure 3, this deals with negative and multiplication. So let me give you for division, negative 8 divided by negative 2. So when it comes to division and multiplication, so here the signs changes. If you have two negative signs, so it will become a positive when you divide. So negative 8 divided by negative 2, this will change into a positive answer. So we'll have positive 4. Let's try multiplication. So here with multiplication I have 7 times negative 3. So 7 times negative 3, this equal to, because here we have positive and negative, so our final answer will be negative. So 7 times negative 3, this equal to negative 21. Okay. Let's do the other ones. Rhyming. So A, B, C, and D, E. So this only do for you question A, C, then E. The rest you have to do on your own. So let's say we have negative 6 here plus 3. So negative 6 plus 3 is equal to negative 3. How did you get it? So here it's very simple. So what you do, actually it's like you take 6 minus 3, then you keep the sign in front of the bigger number, which is a negative. So what we get, we got here negative 3. So when it comes to power, the power also you have to be careful with power. So we have even numbers and odd numbers. So when it's an odd number, so it will be in negative sign, positive, we have a negative. If it was 2, so it will become a positive here. So let's say negative 3 to the cube root of 3. So we say this is equal to negative 27. And this is also simple. It's like you also do it like this. 3 times 3 times 3. Each is here, you get 9. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times negative 3. This equal to negative 27. Now when it comes here, now let's do the last one, E. Then you try the 2 at home. So when it comes to C says, E, negative 7 minus 2. This is a negative and this is a negative. So here with subtraction, it's a subtraction that we are going to do, so it will become a negative because we will just add the number, then we keep the sign in front of the bigger number, so it will be negative 9. It's like 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Then we add, we keep the number in front of the bigger number. So let me also take you this one. Yeah, let me take you also through this one also. It says, in the village at the ski resort, the temperature was negative 3. The temperature was negative 3. Positive 3. On the nearby mountain top of the temperature was 12. 12 here. So the question comes, what was the temperature on top of the mountain? So this is very simple. What you do here, so you just take 12 minus 3, then you get 9. So the temperature on top of the mountain is positive 9 degrees Celsius. Thank you for your cooperation. We'll meet in the next class.